Foxtrot Tower, this is Foxtrot Yankee Alpha.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, you can pull up, go around.
This is not a good idea. This is a big, I don't think I should have went today. I wasn't ready. I really messed up that landing.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, you were doing great on that approach there. Just continue on runway heading there, and I will coach you through into the other circuit, okay? So don't worry about it, and just continue climbing there to 1,500 feet.
I feel like I need to get out right now. This is not a good idea.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, just climb for me to 1,500 feet. Make sure you give it some power there to the engine there. Climb to 1,500 feet, then I will coach you along for another try. No worries.
I'm sorry. I was doing so good before. I don't know what happened.
Don't worry. You're still doing great, okay? Just climb up to 1,500 feet for me. And just stay on that altitude. You don't need to turn or anything. Just stay straight and climb up to 1,500 feet for me.
I'm sorry.
Don't apologize. You're doing great. So don't worry about it. Just climb up to 1,500 feet for me, and I'll get back to you in just a few seconds here. Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, I'd like you to start a left turn now, heading 120. Heading 120. Left turn.
Foxtrot Yankee.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, I'd like you to climb to 2,000 feet.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha.
Foxtrot Tower, this is Foxtrot Yankee Alpha's instructor.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha's instructor.
Tower, where's Foxtrot Yankee Alpha currently in the circuit?
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha is currently, I put her 3 miles south of the field now. I'm going to set her up for about a 3-mile final at 2,000 feet for runway 30.
If she could be at 1,000 feet, approximately 1 mile back, that would be excellent. Over the blue building, you can tell her.
1,000 feet over the blue buildings on final, you said? That's where you want her at?
Affirmative, with 20 degrees of flap and 65 knots.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, you can start a left turn now. Left turn heading 050.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha.
And for the aircraft on Bravo waiting to depart, you can expect another 5-minute delay minimum. Just dealing with the situation at the moment. Thanks for your patience. Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, I'd like you to do another left turn heading 000. Just fly 000 straight north for me.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha.
So Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, you're doing great. In about another mile or so, I'm going to give you instructions for another left turn. That's going to set you up on final for runway 30. You're going to be about 5 miles out. It's just preparing you there. And your instructor is on frequency. She's going to be talking to you here shortly. But just a reminder, she says she wants you at on a 1-mile final over the blue buildings at 20% flap and at 65 knots. I say again, 20% flaps, 65 knots. On about a 1-mile final. But you will be talking to her here momentarily in about just 1 minute.
Okay.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, you can start the left turn now, heading 300. That will put you straight on final for runway 30. Left turn heading 300.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha's instructor, are you on frequency still?
Affirmative, Foxtrot Yankee Alpha's instructor.
Okay, Foxtrot Yankee Alpha's instructor. I'm not talking to anybody else except Foxtrot Yankee Alpha. I have her set up on about a 4-mile final at the moment. She's at 1,500 feet, and you can start talking to her.
Okay, excellent. Could you please let me know when she's on a 3-mile final?
Sure thing. So Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, continue on that heading there. You're lined up with the runway, correct? Do you have the runway in sight?
Yes, affirmative, Foxtrot Yankee Alpha.
And Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, just watch your speed and altitude, okay? So stay at 1,500 feet until you start talking to your instructor. And just continue inbound, and you'll be talking to her here shortly in the next few seconds.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha's instructor, she is now on a 3-mile final at 1,500 feet. I'll let you take over.
Thank you so much. Okay, Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, I'd like you to reduce your power to 1,800.
Okay.
And at this point, I'd like you to be at 70 knots.
Okay, I'm at 70 knots.
Can you see the blue roof building? Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, can you see those blue roof buildings? Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, can you see those blue roof buildings?
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha's instructor, this is the control tower. She's on about a 1.5 mile final now, and I'm not sure why she's not answering you there, but the Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, are you off frequency?
Yeah, I didn't hear anything she said.
Oh, okay, she's asking if you're seeing the blue buildings.
Yes, I'm seeing the blue buildings.
What altitude are you at, Foxtrot Yankee Alpha?
What altitude are you at, Foxtrot Yankee Alpha?
Still kind of, I'm sorry, I'm, like, freaking out right now.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, just start climbing just slightly, please. Start climbing, Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, start climbing a bit.
Okay.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha's instructor, she's about half a mile final now, just below the tree lines there, so I'm having her pull up just slightly.
Okay, could you set her up with 1800 RPM?
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, set up at 1800 RPM, 1800 RPM.
Okay.
And be at 65 knots.
And 65 knots, please.
It's not, like, it's not staying at, I don't know. I think I don't know what's happening right now. I think I need to increase power, but it feels like I'm sinking.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, yep. I have you in sight now. You're over the tree lines. You're on final, about quarter mile final, runway 30. Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, you are cleared to land, runway 30.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha.
Please tell her to pitch down slightly to maintain 65 knots.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, pitch down slightly to maintain 65 knots.
Okay.
Please tell her to idle power.
Idle power now, Foxtrot Yankee Alpha. Very well done, Foxtrot Yankee Alpha, very well done. You can exit your convenient right, any right turn you like, and you can contact ground on 118.4.
Foxtrot Yankee Alpha.
Tower, thank you very much. I'm going to have to bring you donuts later.
Yeah, no worries. It was a team effort.